Find one's feet. Find one's feet. It's an idiom. It means become comfortable with what you are doing or establish yourself in a new place. In other words, become familiar with a new situation. You go to a new place or new work, you take some time to get adjusted with that work or that place. So that time you are really finding your feet. So you are becoming familiar with new place or new job. That is what is called find one's feet. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, he is still new in his job. Give him some time to find his feet. So he is new to this job. He doesn't know the formalities of this particular job. He would come to know. Let us give him some time. He will find his feet. Next one. It was only after doing many small shows that he finally found his feet as a singer. So before he became familiar, he did so many shows singing here and there, but he was not so famous. But finally he became a big shot. So he took a lot of time to settle down, to find his feet. Third one, when I joined the company, my boss said that I would need time to learn about how the company works. He said I would find my feet gradually. When I joined the company, I told the boss I need some time, but the boss told you would understand, which means you would find your feet gradually. Slowly you will become familiar with the company. Don't worry, you start working. That is how I find my feet gradually, slowly. Next one, we have this orientation program that helps new employees find their feet in the organization. This orientation program helps the new employees to know how to become familiar in the company, how to work in the company, how to find their job in a better place, in a better way. So this orientation really helps the employees to find their feet in this organization. Next one, when Sarita went to the States, she was miserable. But when she called us up last week, she said she was finally beginning to find her feet. Sarita went to States. In the initial stages, she couldn't understand or she couldn't adjust in the States, but later she started getting familiar, adjusting with the environment. So finally, when we called her up last week, she told that she is very happy, which means she started finding her feet. She started feeling at home at States. So when we look at the origin of this particular idiom, find one's feet, when a newborn animal begins to walk, its first steps are rather shaky. It takes some time for the animal to find its feet, to become sure-footed and walk without wobbles. So, find one's feet is nothing but to become familiar with a new situation or new place or new job.